Hi friends, welcome to Unique CAD Design. I hope all are doing good. In this video, I am going to create this isometric drawing in latest version of AutoCAD software, AutoCAD 2021. If you don't have a software, click on this I button to download and install a AutoCAD software. To create this isometric drawing, first we need to change our cursor to isometric snap. To change this cursor, go to drafting setting, type DS and click enter. Here from snap and grid tab, change snap type to isometric snap and click OK. Now our cursor is changed to isometric snap. You can also change this by using a status bar. In this status bar, from this customize icon, check the isometric drafting. This isometric switch tab will appear here. You can directly click on that to switch to isometric snap. Take a line command, draw this 35, this is 72, again this is 35, this is 72, and press F5 to change isoplane of the cursor. This is 90, and again this is 72, this is 90, and this is 145, and this height is 25. This I will trim these two lines. Extend command. Click this. Go to trim command and trim this. I will add this. This has a 72, and again this one. Here I will add this cutout. This is 24. This has a 24. And we need to add this ellipse here. Type EL enter and type I enter to go for isocircle. Then select the midpoint and the end point. Then trim this unwanted extended line. And I will finish this cutout. Now this portion is completed. Now I will add this elliptical cutout and these two side cutouts, and we need to add this bottom also. Now I will add this bottom portion. This height is around 5. From this side this is 50 and this is 70. This is 50, this is 70. I will go with 70 first and I will go 50 now. This is 50 and I will trim the extended lines. Now this cutout is clear. Now I will add this elliptical cutouts. The center is at the height of 45. I will add this first. This is at the height of 24 and this is at the height of 30. It is extended throughout and this center is at 45. This is 45. Here enter, type I enter to go for isocircle, and press F5 to change the isoplane. And the dimension of this ellipse is R30. I will use 30 directly. It will take it as a radius. For that I will create a line. This is around 10, and the height of, don't know the size. There is this reference line. I copy this by 10. Depth is 10. If your cursor is jumping like this, press F9. It will turn on the grid, then our cursor will be corrected. It won't shift, it won't jump from one point to another point like that. Now we need to trim this ellipse between these two lines. Now this cutout is created. Now we need to add this center ellipse. This is also at the height of 45. Copy this line up to the height of 45 and move this line 10 depth and extend this and click enter. Type EL enter to go for the ellipse command. Type F5 to change the isoplane of the cursor, and type I enter to go for isocircle. Then specify the center of the circle, then specify the radius of the isocircle. If you want to specify the diameter, type D enter. Now I want to go for a diameter. I will press D enter. Then I will give the value as 24 and click enter. Now this center ellipse is created. I trim these two lines. Now this drawing is completely regenerated like this. Now I will add a dimension to this. Now the drawing is perfectly finished. If you want to create this drawing in a 3D, I am having the Autodesk Inventor software. I am using that software to create this in a 3D. Thank you for watching till the end. Still you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get a best information about AutoCAD. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.